So estate planning is the process of passing assets on to heirs in the manner that you wish them to be passed, either outright or over time. Assets can be anything from tangible assets like cars, boats, collectibles, coin collections, or intangibles such as financial holdings. They could be IRAs, they could be life insurance, it could be stock accounts, CDs, money in the bank. So once we consider those two components, we need to think of the third component, which is minimizing the transaction costs. Transaction costs can be different kinds of taxes. It could be inheritance tax or death tax, it could be income tax, it could be capital gains tax, as well as the cost of probate. You can consider that a tax as well. When somebody comes into me and does estate planning for the first time, I can see that there's a certain amount of tension of the unknown, and they don't know how to handle it. They've got different family dynamics, and they just don't even know how to start asking the question. So we actually start with, how's your family? We get a description. How's your relationship with your family? We get a description of the different kids. Where do they live? Do they have kids? Is it a blended family? So we get an idea of what the family's about. Then we go through the assets, and we want to know whose name is on what asset in approximate amounts. And in that way, we can begin to start shaping an estate plan. And once we talk about it and verbalize the whole process and describe how it would happen, just like a chess game, and how we want to get to the checkmate, I think I've seen probably thousands of times where clients have a visible sense of relief because they finally have a plan in place, where when they walked in, they didn't even know how to ask the first question, other than, here I am, what do I need to do?